I also heard this from my friend Ben Pakulski, who's a very well accomplished, he was a bodybuilder, now he's into other aspects of fitness, teaches fitness, but don't move weight to challenge muscles, unless you're trying to power lift or something of that sort, which I'm not. Immensely helpful. But the other thing that I learned from you that I combined with that was this idea that certain muscles will grow better and get stronger much more easily, maybe even will recover better because of our ability to contract them really hard. And this, what I call the Cavalier test, which is, at least if I could paraphrase, so for instance, if I can, it's always the bicep, isn't it? Let's use the calf or the bicep. If you can flex your bicep to the point where it hurts a little bit, like it almost feels like a cramp, or you can flex your calf to the point where it really cramps up a little bit, almost feels like it's knotting up. That's a pretty good indication that you're going to be able to stimulate that muscle well under load if you're doing the movement properly.
Right.
And that's the feeling to actually aim for each repetition, maybe even throughout the repetition. For me, this completely transformed my results. And this was, I think, maybe 5-6 years ago that I first heard this from you. Body parts that for me lagged behind, that I thought maybe genetically weren't going to work for me, immediately just started growing, right? And I was getting stronger and stronger. And I thought, this is really something, so much so that I've dedicated a portion of my research, along with, in collaboration with another group, to try and understand what's happening in these upper motor neurons in the brain that can engage the muscles even more. And that it's not just about progressive overload or putting a pump into the muscle, that it's really, this mind-muscle connection is a real thing when it comes to predicting results, and that you can get better at it. So forgive me for paraphrasing your incredible content around this.